just recently installed this exhaust from this website, DNA Motors. It's called J2 exhaust, a whole catback. So I'm gonna, since I already install it, my friend Tommy's gonna drive up and down and get some sound for you guys. And just in case you guys are interested in purchasing, that is the sound of the car. I'm gonna have them back up. Just give them a sec. A little slow. Okay, there we go. Not bad. Oh. Don't mind the sound because I do have an exhaust leak that I'm going to fix later on. Sounds really good. Yeah, he drove pretty far, so we're gonna wait for him to come back. Turn this camera the other way somehow. Drove around. Oh. I know you guys can hear that. Doesn't sound bad. What do you think? Hey, what do you think?
Don't act some shit.
She's a little camera shy, but don't mind her. Yeah, so here you guys have it. J2 exhaust from DNA Motoring. You can search it up from Google and you'll definitely find it. It's about like $330, I believe. Yeah, pretty much it.